Hi, Joe Freeman, winemaker at River Road Family Vineyards and Winery, and I'm standing here next to our two different standard barrel sizes. We have our standard barrique. It's a 59-gallon barrel. It's what you see most commonly in cellars around the world. This is a great barrel for a variety of different types of wine. Primarily Pinot Noirs we're working with here, and on our 8 to 9 to 10 month barrel aging program for most of our Pinot Noirs, this is an ideal size. It allows the wine to develop at a rate in which it is at its peak, ready for blend decisions and bottlings just before the harvest following the year that these wines were made. So this is a great go-to barrel size, works really well with what we're trying to make here at River Road. The other type of barrel that we're using is a Puncheon. In this particular Puncheon, there's different sizes. This one is 500 liters, so it's a little more than twice the size of the standard barrique. And what we've done with this barrel is it serves two functions for us. The first function is during harvest, we actually use this as a fermenter. So it's a small little open-top fermenter. We take the head off the barrel, we set it upright, and we fill it with the destemmed grapes. So it's a small little fermenter producing about 1 barrel's worth of finished wine from each of these. So it's kind of fun to watch that and see the process happening. But now that fermentation is finished, we don't have any more grapes coming into the winery, we utilize it for a second purpose. And that purpose is to be a long-term storage and aging vessel for Pinot Noirs that we want to extend the cellar life on. So if it's a particular wine that we want to see in barrel for 14 to 16 months, but we're concerned that it's going to age too rapidly in the small barrel, we'll put it into a Puncheon. A smaller amount of surface area for the volume that's here, so you have a slower reaction with the oxygen, slower aging, slower tannin development, and this wine will carry itself through next harvest, where we can bottle this 14, 16 months later and find that it's still fresh, young, vital, hasn't gone over the top like it might have in a small barrel. So that's the use of the different barrels here at River Road, and the flexibility they offer gives me a lot of tools as a winemaker to make the best wines.